in. So if I did Udakiminage, Levi would go there. Exactly. It doesn't matter. We go cross. Okay, it's about 9:30, 10 o'clock. If we do the mirror. Not the same. If I do the male triangle zig in tenkan right here, he's going to go on the opposite side of the clock. If we do this hand and do the mirror here, this would be the Nikkyo if I were to just apply it here. But if I were to do this part, same thing. This also does all of the big five techniques. If I cut this in here and leave this here, you get the Nikkyo, all of the big five. And all the big five are going to go opposite the natural line. Doesn't matter. Okay. And I go this way, then there's where my Kotegashi is going to go. See, this is enough space. Even if everyone goes in motion. See? This is the thing I want to get you guys to get. Here's my motion. There we go.